I am in the Jewish ghetto memorial area. You see these famous Krakow chairs around me. These empty chairs represent the victims of the Holocaust, of course. The lives and homes of families emptied by the Nazis. And you can see behind me this small place where it says 1941 to 1943. I wanted to check different destinations. I have been in the main square a lot at day, night and night time. Now it's wonderful to be here also.